Hello everybody, my name is Kamari and beside me is my mom. And today we're making pretend snow. Let's get this baby unboxed. These instructions, these are the instructions. These, I think you put stuff in it. And I found a measuring cup. Measuring cup. Wait, I think this is the snow. And I think we need water for this. And remember, scissors are dangerous. Only use kitty scissors or ask an adult for help. This must be 1 cup. So 2 of these will make. Hopefully I'm not wrong. I'm gonna just add it. Subscribe to this video and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's pour it in. Okay guys, I'm gonna touch it first. And since I'm the host in this video. Oh, it doesn't feel like snow. Feel it, Mom.
What does it feel like?
It feels like it doesn't really hold itself. Like, it doesn't feel like snow. I don't know how to explain it. It feels like potato and the potato inside that people like to eat.
It's kind of rubbery.
Yeah, I feel it. I can't believe all we needed was two ingredients. Come on, get out. There's something on the bottom. Come on, get out of there, snow. I think it's attached to it. Oh, that's really snow. It feels just like jelly. And if you don't want it to look like this plain, if you want to get really messy and hopefully it doesn't explode. Actually, mine exploded, but it was like overflowing. Like, well, Mama, now I know what to do. Guys, if you want to see more videos, just like and subscribe. See you in 2024. Hit that bell button and smash that subscribe button. Bye.